Incredible close for the day from Hbar. Guys, it was super important to actually close the daily candle above the dotted line. Why? Because this is the neckline of our pattern, and the day before we had broken out, closing the candle above this point of resistance. It should then act as support, and then us continuing to the target 8.25 cents. Unfortunately, when yesterday's candle opened, we continued down first, losing this support, meaning that our move up was a fake out. However, I told you guys, don't worry, because we are just coming back to test this low as support. We did go a little bit lower, but also that is fine. Why? Because we are above the 1 fib level. We lost the 1 fib level. It means we should continue to these targets unless we reclaim the 1 fib level. We reclaimed it on the move up that broke out of the neckline, validating this target of 8.25 cent. And then we fell back to the 20-year support, this level of support, as well as just slightly above the 1 fib level, which we need to hold if we do not want to continue down to these targets. And for this double bottom to be our bottom that we actually have been suggesting over the past few weeks, because remember guys, as price action is in an uptrend, that is above the 200 EMA. So any correction to this area is going to just be the bottom of our uptrend, and then that's our higher low, optimal entry point for bullish continuation. As long as this holds, we've formed a double bottom before that point, and that is great because we don't actually need to touch it. We just need to find bullish indications before it, and we've got it with the double bottom. Even more specifically, some bullish candlestick patterns like the spinning top, like your bullish hammers over here, and even a bullish engulfing right down over there. We've broken out of the neckline. We've actually confirmed it multiple levels as support, but more importantly, holding above the 1 fib with a spinning top. Now that we've broken out, we're looking for continuation to this target. However, please do understand that we're needing to reclaim the golden pocket, and as we're needing to reclaim it, it is resistance as we approach it. This is the very first time that we're hitting the 0.5, so it's understandable that we're getting a negative candlestick pattern right now, because there needs to be proof that this is resistance. The chart needs to show you that, and of course, if it is a resistance, it's going to show you a negative candlestick pattern. But if we are truly bullish, eventually we will turn around before losing this low and then break through the 0.5, meeting the double bottom target. So my anticipation is that we continue to hold this low, more specifically this new wick that we created yesterday at 7.1 cents, and as long as we can maintain that, we will break through the 0.5 Fibonacci, meeting this target, but actually taking us back up to where this head and shoulders pattern formed, more specifically the shoulders. That is the true resistance. How do I know that? Because when we created this left shoulder, it's the first time getting into it. And then when we created the head, we're turning that into support, but eventually losing it with a double top. And this is, of course, a deviation showing that when we came back up into this area and confirmed it as resistance, that this was a fake out and that the true top is 8.78 cent. So this is where we're anticipating this double bottom to actually take us, not yes, specifically the target itself, but actually beyond that point, because at that point we're above all moving averages, and so eventually we should even take this out. And so the level of resistance that is going to give me a clue that we will break that high is a reclaim of 8.78 cent, and once that is support, I know that we're going to break out of here. And that is it from me today, guys. Hopefully we actually continue to hold this low. Remember, I've marked out the 7.1 cent wick from yesterday's daily candle close, and so it's important that we do not close any candles over the next days or weeks beneath this point, and then we will just continue up anyways. So just if you have investments, they will just rise. If you just use this as a DCA opportunity to add to that, great. If you want to do like a small short-term spot trade, so when you get to your targets you sell, that's down to you. I help you out with all of this in the trading community, and we do weekly group mentorship in there. So all of you join my live call and I mentorship you guys. I teach you guys how to read the charts exactly like me, the exact strategies that I use, and we cover all the cryptos in my portfolio in there as well. We'll analyze any charts that you guys personally want to look at, and yeah, basically you're just learning exactly what I do on a daily basis. Read the chart exactly like me. We do use some indicators, so yeah, you will learn some extra things that you don't actually see in the videos, but you don't really need them. They just serve to give you some extra confidence. Like for example, we know all these things and you've been following the updates and we've been calling for upwards. Have you seen this once in the update? No, but this is just going to give me confidence. For example, if I've just told you all those reasonings for why we should flip bullish, double bottoms, spinning tops, bullish engulfings above 200 EMA, reclaiming 1 fib level, breaking out the double bottom, holding the lows over here, so many bullish indications, but then also on top, this indicator is showing me we've got lower lows here, but we've also got higher lows here, and this is a bullish divergence, so it's giving me further confidence in what I already knew. And if you want me to teach you all of this stuff, you can just join the Discord community and do it as a group, as a community. But if you want it one-to-one, specifically just me and you, then I have discounts on my one-to-one mentorship plan at the moment. Just message me on Twitter or take action through the website. The links are down below in the pinned comment section and description of this video update. So if you're interested in that, take action. We got discounts at the moment. You'll see how many slots are available, and once they are gone, the discount is no longer there. You do get 2 months free in the chat, and you actually gain my course for free to fall back on. You don't need to complete the course to start the sessions. We just start the sessions and then you have the course to fall back on once those sessions are complete. You can pick 3, 5 or 10 hours. You can try 1 hour, but 3, 5 and 10 hours will include my chat for 2 months and the course for free. The 1 hour tryout plan, it doesn't include anything apart from the 1 hour of course session. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.